I tell you, I don't understand it. I'm playing the worst game of my life.
Rodney Dangerfield, Caddyshack, you gotta love it. You may think that keeping score is really straightforward. Most people, when I ask them, they just say, Don, that's ridiculous. I just keep track of the money I make each day, and I compare that from one day to the next, and I know if I'm improving, and I compare that from one week to the next. If that's you, if that's what you're doing, you're really missing a huge opportunity. And what you're in essence doing, you may not realize it, but subconsciously, you're trading on greed and fear if all you're tracking is the money. And over time, you will lose and you'll become very, very tired and an exhausted trader. I'm going to show you our scorecard, and I'm going to show you how we use it. And as a reward for you for listening to this little video, I'm going to give you a free digital copy and how to get it. But remember, just like a golfer, yes, keeps score of the overall round, but he also keeps score of how many fairways does he hit in regulation, how many sand saves, how many putts. It's that type of detail that'll enable him and his caddy to know what to work on between tournaments. What part of his game is strong? What part of his game is weak? If you're not keeping that kind of detail from one week to the next, and you don't know what metrics are important, you have no basis on which to improve. And that would be a shame. So enjoy the next few minutes. And again, if you'd like a digital copy of the scorecard, we'll explain how to get that at the very end. Thanks. This is the scorecard that we use, and I'd like to give you a free copy. So if you stay with me for just another minute or two, I'm going to show you how we use it, and then I'm going to give you instructions on how you can get a free copy if you'd like. So on Monday, these were my trades. On the ES, swing machine, 1 to 5 interval, total trade count of 5, 4 wins, 1 loss, average winners, 387.50, 175, average loser, 80% win-loss ratio, gross profit 1550, gross loss 175, my net 1375, and a profit factor of 8.86. What is a profit factor? If you don't know what a profit factor is, unfortunately, I'm going to share with you that you are probably trading the money, and you are most likely, and if you are trading money, you may not realize it, but you're trading greed and fear. Our traders don't trade the money. They pursue a process, and they pursue a profit factor. And down here, it's a little friendly reminder. If you have a profit factor below 1, then you're actually losing money. And we would suggest that you stay in simulation for at least a week. If you have a profit factor of 1 to 2, that is average, but we would still recommend that you stay small. 2 to 3 is above average, and we would suggest in futures that you stay in the vicinity of micros. Over 3, the trader is a money-making machine, and over 5, if anything, you have to guard against the feeling of being bulletproof. Nobody is bulletproof, including me. You don't want to be euphoric. Basically, what it's saying is at 8.86, for every dollar I lost on Monday, I made $8.86. That's a beautiful thing. So let me show you how easy it is. Now, during the course of the day, I'll keep track very simply of my trades on a legal pad. And then I'll come in at the end of the day and fill this in, and then I'll record. And I was trading the Russell today. I had 3 trades. Oops, not there. Excuse me. We're going to hit the escape button here. 3 wins, 1 loss, gross profit. I had $1,995, and I lost $175. It gives me a win-loss ratio today at 75%, which certainly feels good, but you can make money with a win-loss ratio as low as 30%. It's this number. So you take the gross profit divided by the gross loss. Well, that gives you your profit factor. This is my net, these two subtracted. But this number divided by the gross profit divided by the gross loss gives me for the day a profit factor of 11.40. I made $11.40 for every dollar that I lost. So when I look at my performance overall this week, I've had 13 trades, 10 wins, 3 losses. My average winners automatically calculated at 574. Average losses at 225, almost 2 to 1. Beautiful. My win-loss ratio comes in at 77%. My gross profit, $5,745. My net loss is $675. My net profit and my profit factor is at 8.51. My thought for the rest of the week is tomorrow, stay small. Don't make any big mistakes. Stay small, stay disciplined, and take Friday off. Go into the weekend with a good week and come back and do it again next week. So I promised if you would like a copy of this, I'll send it to you. But when you get this, if you're not familiar with Excel, and I'm going to put this data back in here, but let me show you how easy it is to clear. Well, what you would want to do is you want to highlight. I don't have the tool in view here. You want to highlight this. Don't delete the information or clear contents because it'll clear out the formulas. And if you do it by accident and you need another copy, let me know. But you want to highlight this. You go to your Excel formula and you go to Find and Select, and you select Go to Special, and then you choose Constants. There it is right there, and you hit OK. It highlights just the contents, and then you hit Delete, and it'll be empty for you. And you can do that each week. But if you delete it or clear the contents, then you lose the math that makes this so simple to work with. Let me show you how to get a copy. So if you want a free copy of that scorecard in Excel, just send me an email, bagadon@stockmarketcaddy.com, and in the subject line just put in free scorecard, and I'll be sure to send one off to you. If by accident you do clear out the contents, let me know and I'll be happy to resend it. Be sure to visit our website and explore what else we offer. We're algorithmic traders. And if you're interested in our subscription information and you want to become a member, this is our membership information and, more importantly, our Q School. And we'll teach you how we go about trading so that you can fill up that scorecard with profits. Our newest member, and I could not say this if it was not true because our members are in the room, in our little trading room, and this member might very well listen to this video. But he joined in our Q School on Monday. Today is Wednesday. He's had approximately 8 trades. His profits are approximately $3,400 on 8 trades. And his profit factor is 15. And he has traded from Swing Machine on a 1 and 5 minute basis with no help from me on the individual trades. We explained how to use Swing Machine, and he did so without looking at a chart. The question you have is, and I would have, can the tools at Stock Market Caddy help me? It's a reasonable question, and the truth of the matter is, I don't know how you will do specifically. But at the end of, if not before, at the end of the 3-week program, we show you how we go about trading. And that question that you have, that this particular student member had before he joined the Q School, you will answer for yourself. I'm Bag of Don and Stock Market Caddy. Enjoy the scorecard, and if you have any questions about our membership and about who we are and what we're about, we're a mentoring site. You're always welcome to give me a call at 813 758 8263. We wish you the best.